Red Room friends, how are you? This week we're going to talk about plants. And right here I have a picture of a flower and I wanted to explain to you the parts of a plant. So down, we're going to start at the bottom. There's some soil here, and down here are the roots. And the roots soak up water and nutrients, and they also anchor the plant to the ground so it can't move. Here is our stem coming up here. And stem carries the water from the roots to the leaves. It also helps hold the leaves. And here are the leaves right here. They soak in light and air to make food for the plant. Now flowers, the petals right here, the flowers make seeds and fruit for plants. And flowers come in many different colors and sizes and shapes. So here's a flower right here. You can see this. I don't have roots down here because this isn't planted. I picked it. Here's our stem. Here are the leaves that the stem is holding up. And we have our flowers. And there are petals, and inside are our seeds. Also, I wanted to tell you things that plants need to live. First of all, plants definitely need some sun and warmth to live. They also need water to grow, and they also need air, just like we need air to breathe. So on the Shutterfly website, there is a worksheet that your parents can print off for you. And down here, you can cut out the word leaf and put it over here where the arrow is pointing to the leaf. So you can do your own parts of a flower. Okay, I want to read a little book to you. It's called The Surprise Garden by Zoe Hall, illustrated by Sherry Halpers. We're planting the seeds for a surprise garden. Can you guess what we will grow? We don't know. It's a surprise. First, we use our trowel and rake to loosen the soil. Mom has given us each a handful of all kinds of seeds. Look at the different shapes and sizes. We poke the seeds into the soil one by one. We have painted sticks different colors to mark the different kinds of seeds. Then we water the seeds and wait for our surprise garden to grow. See, plants need water to live. Soon the seeds sprout into small green shoots. We water the plants and the sun warms them. Our garden grows and grows. On some plants, flowers bloom, but not all the plants have flowers, just some of them. Before long, the petals fall off. Surprise! We see peas and beans and squash. On some plants, leaves grow close to the ground. Surprise! We see spinach and lettuce. And what is growing here? Surprise! We see broccoli and cauliflower. Is anything growing here? Surprise! We find carrots and radishes. They're growing under the ground, just like roots. Here is the longest plant in our garden. Flowers bloomed on this plant too. Surprise! We find a big, huge watermelon. Here is the tallest plant in our garden. Surprise! It's a sunflower and it is full of tasty seeds. All summer long, the food in our surprise garden ripens. We like to pick the food and eat it too. Surprise! We're having a garden party. The end. Okay, now I wanted to read this book to you because did you know that you can eat a whole plant just like some of the plants in this book, some of the vegetables growing? So let me show you something. In that book we saw a sunflower. And who has ever heard of sunflower seeds? They look like this. You can eat seeds. Here's what sunflower seeds look like. And inside the little shell, it looks like this. And they are so good. But yes, part of the plant you can eat are seeds. Now, you can even eat the flower part of a plant. Did you know that broccoli are the flower part of the plant? Here's a bigger piece of broccoli. You see the stem here and the flowers. So we usually eat definitely the top part. I'm not going to put this down, but cauliflower is another type of flower that you can eat. Okay, let's go to stems. Remember our stem? Look at it. This is some celery, and this is the stem of a celery, and it's so good and crunchy. I love eating celery. Another type of stem is asparagus. This is another type of stem. Let's go to the part where we eat leaves. Now, lettuce, you can eat leaves. I love spinach leaves, so I'm going to put those right there. We can eat leaves, and you know what else we can eat? We can eat roots. Here is a root. Did you know that part of the carrot is underground, but that's the root, and we eat this part. It's the root. Okay, so let's go back. Come over here, and let's go ahead and review this. Carrots are a type of root. Celery is a type of stem. Spinach are types of leaves. And broccoli are types of flowers. And last but not least, those yummy sesame seeds are types of seeds. They're sunflower seeds. Okay, thanks for joining me, Red Room. We'll find out more about plants another time. Bye-bye.